Good morning. It's April 10th. And I apologize for not posting. I don't know. I don't know if I should apologize or not. I post whenever I'm inspired to do so. And for the past month or so, I've been learning. I've been learning a lot of things that are expanding my consciousness. So there hasn't been a lot of output because I'm learning, as we all should be. And especially right now in history, this is a great awakening that we're going through. I think a lot of people can feel the energy. And I believe it's not only because of social media posts and all the shitty things that the CIA has been doing over the years in Israel. But I believe there's a vibrational frequency that the planet goes through. And it's a wave. The Great Awakening is a wave. It's a wave that we can either ride on or deny. Christianity. Christians believe the Great Awakening has to do with Jesus returning and destroying the planet and all this stuff with Jerusalem and the Holy Land, which the Holy Land is bringing nothing but death and destruction and evil to this earth. But yeah, and I believe the Great Awakening has everything to do with bringing us back to nature, to the cycles of nature. And bringing an end to the cycle of humanity to control nature, which is, if you can follow me with this is part of what I've been learning. With the Transcendentalists, Emerson, his first essay was all about nature. That's why the Transcendentalists and Emerson resonate so hard with me, because they realized in 1850, roughly, how the Industrial Revolution was just destroying everything. To control nature, to dominate nature, is not the way, because nature always rebounds and takes over. Like the chemtrails that are being sprayed in the sky, everything. I just saw this crazy news that there's a company that is actually sending mirrors into space to redirect sunlight and to have people pay for sunlight. If you can imagine that. So you can have sunlight on demand and you can pay for it so that fuckers can get rich off of nature. And yeah, that's the way things have been going for years. So yeah, I'm learning how even Christianity, Judaism, Islam, all these Western religions that have been established really just plunged mankind into the dark ages. We've been living in the dark ages, believe it or not. Even though we have all this technology and data centers being built and all this crap being built, we're living in the dark ages. But at the same time, we're going through an awakening, an enlightenment. So yeah, that's I don't know if I have any comment about like world events or anything right now, but all I know is everything's being exposed. And I think we'd be smart to get back in accord with nature at this point instead of dominating nature. So that's my rant for this morning, and I hope to continue since I have the weekend off. All right, see ya.